So this is exactly how to connect your Razer headphones to Xbox. So you can see this is my Razer headphones right here. And if you want to be able to connect them to Xbox, you're not able to do so via Bluetooth directly to Xbox. But what you can do instead is to have one of those cables right here. As you can see, this is a 3.5 millimeter jack cable, and you should have gotten it when you actually purchased the headset. So I'm just gonna plug one of the ends here, as you can see, into my Razer headphones. If you don't have this, you can easily just buy this online. It's available on most online, like big tech stores for sure. And then the other end needs to go to your Xbox controller here, as you can see, and then turn on Xbox and make sure that go into settings so that it's set to recognize the headset from your controller, basically. So as of right now, that is the only way to actually do this. If you do have a dongle, you can try to connect it, but for me it didn't work with the dongle, unfortunately, so I had to do it this way right here, as you can see. So this is how I was able to connect my Razer headphones to Xbox.